Hello again, Sterling Machinery followers. We're getting ready to go on another live Instagram walk around our facility, show you some of the machinery we have here available. Just going to let everybody join here. Good to see everybody coming in. Well, we've had a really awesome day here. Our demo day has been really busy. We've had a lot of followers watching, asking great questions. We're really going through everything. I just want to tell you a few of the people that we walked through. You're going to be able to see all these videos, the live videos. We're also going to be posting some of the videos of the companies themselves. They've sent us some videos as well. So keep an eye out on our Instagram for the next few days, because you're going to see a lot of different types of machinery, a lot of demos that you don't usually see because we're actually inside their facilities, which is really great. We were able to speak with today Jerry from Scotchman, the president of Scotchman Industries, showing us his machines over there. We've spoken with US Industrial in Memphis, Tennessee. Scotchman was out in South Dakota. Jet Machine Tools, Baileigh Edwards out in Laverne, Tennessee. We've done our Scotchman as well as our Sterling demos. We had a great Cincinnati demo on one of their newest brakes, showing you all the differences between the controller and how the laser light curtains work. Really awesome stuff. I'm just so happy and proud to have everybody here and share in our big celebration. It's our 70th anniversary coming up. I don't know if everybody knows, but this is my grandfather's business that started this 70 years ago in 1954. We're just about there. And he started off as a scrap dealer selling scrap metals. One day somebody owed him a few bucks. He ended up getting an air compressor in between that, sold that, and the rest is history. Learned that machinery is going to be much better than the scrap industry, and we've been building ever since. So it's been a really exciting journey here. I've been here for a few decades now, learning all the different types of the business, worked with all these great companies and manufacturers that we work with, seen a lot of different machines. We've been to trade shows. We've done the first of a lot of different things, including this virtual trade show is probably the first ever been done as a live trade show with all these different exhibitors around the country for you. We're trying to bring you everything we can to let you know exactly what you're purchasing when you get these machines. Again, if you have material to send in, send us the material. Let us know what you have. We can send it to the manufacturers, send it right on the floor. You saw today that Flo had a really nice demonstration lab where they have multiple different pumps, different machines, different heads, so they can really adapt the right water jet to cut exactly what you're looking for. Send you those pieces back. You'll be able to see exactly what you're going to get when you buy a water jet from them. It's a really nice way to do it. Of course, in the new and used business, all the used machinery that we carry here, we inspect everything. It's gone through, it's checked out, they're functional, they come with warranties. We'll let you know on certain machines. We just had a machine yesterday, a nice Morisiki lathe that we ended up finding out the gears were broken in the head. We've pulled all that out, put in brand new gears, brand new bearings. That's the type of machine you're going to be getting here from Sterling. When you get it on your floor, you're going to be ready to make your money, make the job work for you. A few more of the other people we had, of course, as I said, we had Flo. We had them go through their facility, show you a few of their water jets in their lab and the different types of materials they can cut. We had Click Lease come out. Click Lease is a financing company that we work with for instant financing. Just about as fast as you can be financed and get a machine, they can do it. Just from your handheld phone, you type in your phone number, your name, and you're pretty much set. They can get you financing right away, which is a great deal for a business or a sole proprietor. Depends on what you're looking for or what you are. We would love to help you grow. We just had a great little demo from GMC Machinery in Ontario, California, showing us all the different machines that they carry. They have some great folders, hydraulic press brakes, and shears. And now we're on to us. We're actually at our Rush facility. This is our second facility. We have two buildings, both filled with used machinery as well as new machinery. And in this facility, we carry all of our chipmaking and toolroom machinery, such as lathes, mills, grinders, saws, and more. So what I'm going to do now is walk you around this facility just to give you an idea so you could see these are the types of machines, the really high quality, late model machinery that we're getting in here. We run the machinery here. Our technicians run it. We clean, we paint, we replace parts. We upgrade machines. We can put digital readouts and feeds on machines. Really, we're here to help and to adjust and make the right machine for you. So we're going to take a walk around. I'm going to explain a few of the different types of machines that we carry here. You're going to see a few of the machines that we do carry as well as the new brands. You'll see some used ones in here, so you can really work out a great deal on a new or used machine. Now, if you have a machine to buy, sell, or trade, we'd love to buy or trade with you. You want to trade out your vertical saw for a horizontal saw, we're the guys to help you do that. We're here in California, but we buy throughout the entire United States, and of course shipping is taken care of. When we purchase a machine, we'll ship it to us. If you guys need shipping on all this machinery, don't be afraid. It is a large machine. It is kind of hard to send this UPS. It doesn't really do it, but we've been working with some brokers and some amazing trucking companies for decades that give us just amazing discounts. And really, when you find out what the cost of shipping was, it's not going to be too much different than if it was just down the street and you get your machine. Let's take a walk around. Let me show you a few of our machinery here in our Rush Street facility at Sterling Machinery Exchange. We'll start right here from the back. Every company is going to need a drill press. We have lots of drill presses in stock. Geared head, standard drill presses, feeding, tapping, depending on what you're going to need. You can see here's a geared head. There's different types of drills for just about everybody. Depending on what job you're going to be doing, you might need to move down the line, drilling and tapping with different sizes. Here's a 4-headed gang drill that would allow you to do that. Nice heavy-duty radial arm drill. This is about as heavy as it gets when you're looking for a drill. Got a big tombstone here, T-slotted. Attach anything you need to it. The arm slides back and forth and allows you to do all the heavy drilling you might need. And they come in a lot of different sizes, different options. So depending on the type of drilling you're going to do, what type of hole you need, maybe even a punch would work for you, let us know. Here's a nice automatic cold saw. We have so many different types of machinery here. Tap disintegrating machine. That'll save you hours and thousands of dollars if you just made a huge, very complex piece. You need to pop a tap out. You could do it with that. There's a Dual Zephyr high-speed saw, 15,000 RPM. Great for castings. Basically melts it right off just like butter when they're cutting. You'll see a lot of different types of saws. Here's a Heidmech tilt saw. Here's actually a Scotchman horizontal saw. And Scotchman for a very long time had their saws made by Dual Continental Industries, the same company as Dual. So you'll notice they're very similar machines. This is a swivel head saw. Another great brand that we work with, Acra. Very heavy duty, semi-automatic saw. That's probably one of the largest vertical band saws you've ever seen. Super deep throat, made for basically aircraft industry. You can cut an airplane wing on that guy. Another tilt head frame saw, going to be similar to that Heidmech. This is made by Marvel. You might have seen the other Heidmech saw that we had over at our other facility, in our large machine facility. We do have larger machines than this, and we do get smaller ones, of course, too. 36-inch. Johnson, Kaiser, Dake. Here's a good old Jet. You can see this is a used machine. So if you're looking for new machinery only and you're wondering why does this look so nice, you can get some great deals out there. There's not even a scratch on this machine. Looks like they barely even used it. We get a lot of machines like that. That's what we're trying to find. Here's a Dual in the same type of condition. If you need to save a few $1,000s, it'll help you do it right away. You still get a great machine with a warranty. Another nice Dual, a little larger. We have a lot of different lathes here, all different sizes, from small, hard-inch style, precision lathes, all the way up to 200-inch long, oil field engine lathes. Let us know if there's anything you want me to point out or see. This is the point of demonstration day, allowing you to see what we're all about. We've done some great live demos from a few of the manufacturers. This is a grinder from Tin Knocker. And here's a hardened style precision lathe with inch and metric threading. Digital readout. One of my favorite things about used machines is you get everybody's tooling. So all the tooling that are with the machine come with the machine. You'll see lots of different chucks here, collets. Get you started as soon as you get the machine. Tooling can be just as expensive as a machine sometimes. Here's a great web lathe that's going to be similar to a Morisiki engine lathe. Very heavy duty. That is a Cadillac. Not made by the same Cadillac you know, but they did name it Cadillac, and they're one of the very popular machines that are imported from Taiwan. There's a standard modern. This is an American lathe right off of a battleship. About as heavy duty as you can get. You could see the castings on this small lathe for a 1940-inch, 19 by 40, not the year 1940. You could see everything is way overbuilt on this machine. Somebody says they're looking for some lapping machines. We do run into lapping machines every once in a while, depending on what size you're looking for. You just got to shoot an email over to me at adam@sterlingmachinery.com. We'll put you in our system. As soon as we find something new or used, we can let you know, as well as the auctions that we do. If you're looking to sell your machinery, your business, you're looking to retire, we do auctions as well. We'll come into your business, clean everything up, take pictures, do all the showcasing as if we're doing it just for our own machinery, let you see everything, and then we'll auction it all off for you, make a full turnkey solution. Here's a really nice closing. Nice heavy duty lathe. Late model, all again, original paint. You know, when you have coolant in lathes, they usually get pretty messed up, so you can actually see the type of condition that these guys are in. Here's just a little quick picture of our other facility we showed you earlier, where we keep all of our fabrication machinery, press brakes, shears, punch presses, all the large equipment. Another nice size lathe, 1640, 1660, very, very popular sizes. This is a wash-on, again, another copy of a Morisiki. Morisiki was probably one of the best lathes ever made, and a lot of design features have been taken and put into a lot of different companies. We do have some older machines here too. A lot of you might have learned on this in school. You can take a look at the ways on it. The cross. These machines are still in great condition. They're not used heavily. They're not used every day, 24 hours a day. That's the type of machine we're looking for. And then we can go ahead and pass on the savings to you, save thousands of dollars, get what you're looking for. Got lots of swag here. If you're ever in our warehouse, you definitely can leave with a few nice shirts and hats, a little Sterling swag. We've got our entire facility here where we do all our repairs in-house. We have service technicians, not only our own, but we also include factory service technicians to make sure everything is fully functional on the machine before it leaves. A nice web mill. Here's one of the Morisikis we were talking about. This is basically the copy of everything. This is what everything originated from. Super heavy duty. You can see how clean the ways are on this machine. Now, we just started working on this machine. We found out it needed some new gears. Quite often, the gears break on this machine depending on where the people have their handle and everything stopping. it breaks out the gears, as you can see here. Now, a lot of people are scared to buy used machinery because they don't know what they're getting. But when you buy from Sterling, you're going to know what you're getting, because we're going to show you exactly what we've done to it. We'll show you parts that we've replaced on it. We'll let you know what it is that it needed, what you need to take care of it, how to run the machine. You'll be able to watch videos of the machine running. You can see these two gears here cost just about $3,000. We also replaced all the bearings in the head. Try not to skimp on anything. We could have put the same pieces back in, but if you're doing one job, you might as well do it right. And once this machine's back together, it's going to be a very, very long time before it needs anything. We cleaned this machine, painted this machine, fully cycled, fully guaranteed. All speeds and feeds are working. Great, great running machine. It's great to have everybody on here. I see lots of different users are coming to take a look and see what we do here. Here's a nice Chevalier grinder. That's a surface grinder. We carry all the best brands that we can get. Stay away from the bad ones, of course. Okamoto is a great brand, known for heavy-duty grinding. Chevalier we sell brand new as well as used. They're local here in California. We've worked with them for a very long time. And again, you'll notice a lot of the same used machines that we have are going to be in the same new category and the new brands that we work with, because as you can see, they're great machines. We know what we're buying, we know who we're working with, we know where to get the parts for them, which is the whole important thing about machinery. You can buy a machine cheaper, but if you're not going to be able to use it because it's down or you can't get parts or service, then you might have not as well as bought it in the first place. Definitely Morisiki, Japan. Centerless grinder. Imagine you could put a baseball bat style thing in here, grind down to it. If you need to grind something round like this into a point, that's the type of piece you'd put into this machine. Here's a smaller one. Again, all these you can see tested and running here before they leave. When you're interested in a machine, just let us know. We can either do a video or you can come down and take a look at everything, bring your pieces, bring your operators. Here's a lot of different size surface grinders, manual surface grinders, NC, CNC. We have a lot of inventory. Anybody buying those Amada tools out there? If you have an Amada turret punch press, you need to sharpen up all your dies. Here's a machine to do it. There's a couple machines right there. You put your Amada dies in it, and they will get sharpened. Here's another one from Wilson Tool, another manufacturer. If you work with all your Wilson tools, you can go ahead and sharpen those also. We're in California. We do ship all over the United States. We purchase machinery from everywhere as well. Nice 618. Got a permanent magnetic chuck on there. Great for sharpening small tools, blades, even lawnmower type tools. Just about everything you could sharpen on those. If not, you need to just grind down something. Let's say you had this block right here, you needed to take it down just a hair, you'd put it on there, and you can ground off the top to just a nice, fine grind. Semi-automatic cold saw. Here's one of our favorite brands. We did some great demos with them today from Jerry at Scotchman. This is one of their fully automatic without the feed. So right here you have your foot pedal. You'll step on the foot pedal. You got your head. It's going to raise here, come down, make your cut. You got hydraulic clamping. All the clamping is going to cut. Open, head will come back up. Make it really easy for your operator just to go ahead and move your material through. Step on that pedal again and keep doing it. Now we're moving over to some of our milling machines. Milling machines have been one of our specialties. We sell Bridgeport brand new. We work with Hardinge and Bridgeport. This is a used machine. It's been cleaned and painted. Looks like we put a new digital readout on it. Depending on what they need, sometimes they come in with readouts that are not functional. We do replace them or repair them. And if you do want other feeds, for instance, on this Bridgeport, if you wanted to add a X and a Y and a Z feed, we can do all that for you. Ask us questions, let us know what you're looking for. We want you to learn and find out what the difference is between our machinery and other people's machinery, because we really seek out the best machines available. You can see here these have chrome and scraped ways. Now for an older machine, what that does is allows everything to run really smoothly. The bed has a nice oil supply, makes it real easy to last just about forever and hand them down to the next generation. Here's a Track K3, it's a ProtoTrack CNC. So basically you could go from this Bridgeport standard milling machine where you turn all the handles yourself. Sometimes you'd have a power feed like this, and then you'd go into something more in-depth that's going to do CNC capabilities. This is a 2-axis machine, meaning the head, every time you're going to want to drill down or mill down, you're going to do that with your hand. Everything else is going to be controlled here with these servos. Servo there, and this controller. Simple controller, easy to use. This company's here in California. They've been around a very long time. They're pretty much the go-to in the industry for a nice CNC machine. And not only a standard mill like a Bridgeport knee mill, meaning it has this little knee down here that raises and lowers your head. They also carry these. This is the DPM-E2 track. This is a bed mill, meaning that you have a heavier bed. It's usually going to be a little bit bigger. Sometimes they're going to have box ways, and you'll see the bottom does not have the knee. On this one, the head's going to raise and lower for your knee. So it's kind of a backwards type machine. But if you're doing really heavy work and you have to put a lot of heavy material on that table, this is definitely the type of mill you're looking for. Again, nice late model CNC controller. There's training available on these machines. Manufacturer's still in business. Parts are still available. Always, always important to check out. Here's another one of these DPMs. This is a little bit later model with the ProtoTrack SMX controller. Color screen. Let you know where you are in your X, Y, as well as your Z. You can see you have a Z scale right there. Again, look at the condition of the machines. This is a used machine. The table's in perfect condition. There's not a scratch or a hole on it. You can take a look at the ways. Again, super, super clean. We really pay attention when we're purchasing these machines to make sure they have exactly what we're looking for and exactly what you're looking for. We're buying these machines for you to make sure you get the nice large machine, small machine, fast machine, whatever it is that you're looking for, we're here to help you. Here's a Ganesh manual mill, all decked out. You got multiple feeds on here, digital readout with your X, Y, and Z. And of course, as I said, we specialize in Bridgeports and milling machines. Here's a Lagoon, another great brand, known for heavy-duty milling. One of the great experiences to come here at Sterling Machines, you get to see all the different types of brands. Make sure you find exactly the one you're looking for. There's so many brands out there and a lot of different options, different strengths. Here's Lagoons, A-Trump, ProMax, Bridgeport, XLO, another Lagoon, more Bridgeports. You can get lost in all these machines. But we'd love to have you here at Sterling Machinery in California or online. If you're looking for some video help, we can go ahead and run these machines, do either a live video or a standard video, let you see the machine running, let you hear it. You can see everything functional. Another nice heavy-duty radial drill. We showed you one of those at the beginning of the segment. big table. Now there's a lot of different machines that we carry here at Sterling. We'd love to help you out and make sure you get the right one for what you're looking for. Whether it be a mill, a grinder, lathe, saws, fabrication machinery such as press brakes and shears and iron workers. I hope that we've showed you a little bit of what we do here, and I hope you enjoy it. We've loved working with everybody over the last 70 years. It's unbelievable that we've made it to this point. Another couple months, we'll have our 70th anniversary, and we're just thrilled to have you working with us, thrilled to have all our great suppliers. We want to thank everybody that came with us today on our virtual journey over at US Industrial in Memphis, Scotchman in South Dakota, Flo from Kent, Washington. We had Cincinnati training class on our floor as well as a demo. We're about to have Acra Machinery, SuperTech, A-Trump. Everybody's here for you. We're here for you. Let us know how we can help. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Some great financing options on there. And if you want to see some more great videos, visit our video website, machinerytube.com, where we have thousands of videos showing demonstrations of just basic startups, how they run, what they do, and it'll give you a great education on the machine tool industry. Hopefully find the next machine for you. Thank you very much for joining us on Demo Day. We have a few more segments to come with some of our other favorite manufacturers, so stick around.